welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show y'all how to make this really awesome little succulent hanging tower thingy using shadow boxes from the Dollar Tree, succulents, moss, and all that, as well from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. All right, y'all, let's get started. So first off, what I have here, I have 5 of these little shadow box looking doohickeys from the Dollar Tree. There were 2 different colors at my store, and I found these over near the photo frames. They had these gray ones and then some pink ones. And I'm not gonna paint these. I'm gonna leave them this color, so I chose gray. You're also going to need 5 Dollar Tree succulents, a bag of Spanish moss, a glue gun and glue sticks. This one has an interchangeable fine tip nozzle. I will link down below in the description box where I got mine. You're also going to need some twine if you want to hang this on your wall. Okay, so now what I did is I already went ahead and I took these little suckers out of their pots. You know, they have like these little post thingies sticking out of them. So I cut those off. And this part right here, it's kind of raised up, like it's got like a little wooden block or something underneath it. And I'm actually going to leave that in there. And I think it's going to make a really good base upon which to attach my succulents. So let's make sure that my glue gun is hot. And there's my extra glue stick. All right, so here I'm just going to put a big blob of hot glue on the back of my succulent. I'm going to get the glue string off of it. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to stick it right down in there. Right there, right there. All right, this one. See, some of these looks like a little toothpick or something that just sticks into the bottom, and they are really, really easy to pull off. Let me put some there. Put some here. And just like that one, I'm just gluing this down. And I'd seen something similar to this, actually, in a, what was it, Pier 1? Or Worldwide Imports? It was one of those stores that I was in, and I saw something similar. And I thought, hey, I bet I could do that with Dollar Tree stuff. So I'm just going to glue all these little babies down, and then once the glue has set up, I'm going to come back with the Spanish moss, and I'm just going to fill it in. Nothing fancy. But see, I want to cover up that little base, cover up the words and whatnot. So let's go ahead and we'll put a blob there and a blob here, and then we're going to merge the blobs just like that. Oh, come away from there. Okay, there's that one. And then here is number 5. And I'm like, how many should I do? Should I do 4? Should I do 5? Should I do 3? I think that things in groupings, another glue stick. I think that things that are in groupings look best in odd numbers. So let's put that there. As you can see, all of these are kind of similar except for these 2. They have the red center, and those are the ones I'm going to be alternating. So I don't want, you know, like 2 of the same kind stuck together. Let's see, is that stuck down in there? I think it's good enough. And now we're going to open up this Spanish moss, which is not a pain in the behind to work with at all. And I'm just going to pull a little bit of it out. I'm going to make a mess. And I'm just going to tuck it down in there. I know somebody's probably going to say, well, why didn't you put the moss in there before you glued the succulent down? Because I wanted to have really good contact between the succulent and the center of the box. And I didn't want the moss to get in the way of that. So now all I'm going to do is cram this moss down in there. Just around it, and make sure that I cover up the words so that you can't see them. And then once I get, oh, look, his little petals are stuck down in there. Come on, fella. You can use this to kind of fluff the petals up a little bit so they're not laying down in there so flat. All right. I'm going to do that with all of these boxes, and that is going to take me a few minutes, of course. So I'm not going to make you watch me do all that. By now, you've got a pretty good idea of where I'm going with this. So let me finish cramming the moss down in here, and I'll trim it up a little bit. All these little runaways here. Run, 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 run away. There's some Dale Shannon for you. And I will be right back. All right, y'all, here we go. And I I think this is done. I have pretty much all this moss tucked down. I've got a lot of the little scraggly runaway thingies trimmed off. Of course, I may go back here in a little bit and trim some more away. And here's my twine, because I'm thinking I want to make this hang up on the wall as opposed to just sitting on a table. So there are 3 of these. So I'm going to, let's check the sides, make sure there's no dings or anything. So I'm going to start with this one and then follow it with a red one. So I'm just going to put a blob of glue here. And I want to glue these sort of offset, I think. There we go. Let's try to move some of this stuff away. I've got so much crap on this darn table. All right. So here is another green one. And I swear one of these had like a little ding on the side, although I'm not seeing it now. And I'll put some glue on this one. As you can see, I'm kind of trying to meet it like at the halfway point there. Let's see. I think that's pretty even. I'm thinking, hold on. That looks pretty good. Okay. So now let's go on. Lordy. You know, you don't really realize how much stuff is on your table until you sit down and you're trying to do something. Let's see. Yep, there it is. There's that little ding I was looking for. Ha ha. You can't hide from me. I am wise to your schemes. All right. Let's glue that one down. And now this will be our final one. Oh, come on. Please work with me. I can't find my other glue sticks. So please work with me. Okay, now I gotta let this glue set up. But you know, you could use, like I said, the one that I saw in whatever store it was in, and it was sitting on a table. And you can set this on a table if you want to, but I think I want it hanging on the wall. So like if you wanted it to sit up, you would knock your camera around. You could like set it up like that. Maybe like put another one right here. You could use a whole bunch of these and make like a little wall of succulents. That would be ever so cute. But I think for mine, I want it to hang up. So I'm just going to take a piece of this twine here. And I'm going to drop it. Let's see, make the hanger about that long. And I'm just going to make a loop. And we're just going to tie a knot in it like that. Okay. I don't want to lay this completely face down, but I guess I will. All right. Now we are going to put a blob of hot glue right here. Can y'all see? Right here. And if you want to cover that up to make it look a little bit more better, you could take a piece of paper or something and cover it up so that you don't see that right there. But like I said about my wreaths, if you're in my house and you're like picking up my decorations and looking at the back of them, and you're going to complain about it, you're probably going to get punched in the face and asked to leave. So, alrighty, there we go. That is cute. So I'll let it all dry, and then I'm going to go hang it up. So there we are. I'm not going to lay it flat down until that glue sets up. But anyway, there we are. Our little succulent wall hanging doohickey. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below, and I hope to see y'all next time.